has reported over 26,000 dog bite cases this year, with many victims being children and the elderly. Across India, 2024 saw more than 37 lakh dog bites and at least 54 suspected rabies deaths. Delhi alone has confirmed 49 rabies cases so far this year. To tackle this crisis, on August 11, the Supreme Court ordered the removal of all stray dogs from Delhi-NCR within 8 weeks and to move them to shelters. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan ruled that once taken in, no stray dogs should be returned and medicated shelters must be created immediately. The Delhi government, MCD and NDMC have been directed to act without delay. According to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the city has an estimated stray dog population of around 10 lakh. The court has ordered authorities to create shelters to house at least 5,000 of them. The deployment of trained staff for sterilisation and vaccination, installation of CCTV cameras to monitor shelters, and the launch of a helpline within 1 week to report dog bites. Any dog reported for biting must be picked up within 4 hours, sterilised, vaccinated, and kept in a shelter permanently, the court said. The Animal Birth Control ABC Rules 2023, issued by the Centre to Manage Stray Dog Population, focus on sterilisation and vaccination to control numbers and prevent rabies. They also require sterilised dogs to be returned to their locality. The judges called the situation extremely grim and set aside this provision in the interest of public safety. They also ruled that rabies treatment will be available only at government facilities, not private hospitals, and warned that anyone obstructing the removal of stray dogs will face stern action. Here's what activist Muralidharan had to say in our conversation with him.
Throwing a dog on the streets is equal to throwing a kid on the streets. They should not be there, and they will subject to extreme cruelty. And they talk about the 5 freedoms for animals. They say food and clean water, which is not there for them. They dig the garbage, drink from sewage, and no bodily injuries. No, they get run down by vehicles every day, and they get pelted by stones from people. People throw acid and hot water at them. Then there shouldn't be any infections, diseases, etc. Which is not the case. They have all kind of disease, including rabies, which is a brother killer disease. And last is not the least, they should have comfort in living, which means during extreme climate they need a shelter, which they don't have. So when you fulfill all these 4 freedoms, they will behave normally. That's the 5th freedom.
While rabies is a deadly disease, the World Health Organization stresses that it is 100% preventable through timely vaccination and post-exposure prophylaxis. This makes rapid treatment and prevention measures critical. Not everyone agrees with the Supreme Court's order. Animal welfare groups, including FIAPO and PETA India, have called the mass removal of dogs impractical and inhumane. They argue that Delhi's 10 lakh stray dogs cannot all be housed in shelters and that large-scale sterilisation, vaccination drives and public awareness campaigns are more sustainable solutions. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi says these voiceless souls are not problems to be erased. Several prominent Bollywood actors, including Janhavi Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Varun Grover and Veer Das, and singer Chinmay Sripada have also criticized the Supreme Court's order. Meanwhile, the MCD has begun upgrading animal birth control centers, launching zone-wise anti-rabies awareness campaigns, microchipping dogs to track sterilisation, and conducting routine health checks and blood tests. What do you think about this directive? Share your thoughts and stay tuned to The Federal for more updates.